subscribe to my channel. Well guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. I checked and it's been 4 months since I've done any kind of makeup video, like just doing my makeup on camera. So I thought today I would do a get ready with me. We can talk, chat. I haven't done any kind of video regarding this little number. If you guys want to get ready with me, grab your makeup, grab a snack, just watch the video, whatever you want to do. Let's get ready and let's get this video started. I actually just reorganized my entire vanity. So I got a new mirror, and so I put all of my everyday makeup in this acrylic thing, so I'm not opening my drawers, or I don't know, that's kind of sounds lazy. I have this big vanity chair that is so wide that it kind of bumps into my drawers when I open them, you know? So I just sprayed my face with some Smashbox primer water. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs coconut primer. I got this guy from Winners, which is like a steal of a deal because that's like retailed for like 50 something dollars, and I think I paid for like 30 bucks. I love this primer. I do. As bougie as it is. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this foundation. I've been loving it. This is the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I wear mine in the shade 430. I love this foundation. It is honestly the best. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. So I need to realize that this is a get ready and that I actually need to talk in it. Like I kind of pointed out at the beginning of this video, I just recently got engaged. We got engaged middle of February, and we're planning next summer. So I've been wedding planning like a madman. So recently, why does this look so shiny? I think it's honestly just the lighting. I have the window open, I have my softbox, I have another lamp that's on. It will set down and mattify a bit. So yeah, so I have been wedding planning, I booked the venue, I booked the band, and I'm just looking at photographers right now. Oh my god, speaking of that, they're so goddamn expensive. What the fuck? I do understand that it's a long day and it takes probably so long to edit. Like, they probably take at least 1,000 photos per day, you know, for a wedding, if not more. So I understand that it's that expensive, but my god, so expensive, especially when you're like budgeting everything else, you know, like $1,000 here, $2,000 there. Next thing you know, your wedding is like $30,000, which I hope I don't spend that much, but you know, that's just kind of disgusting that that's kind of like the average price nowadays. Shoot me. Like, oh my god. The concealer I've been loving lately is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. Creaseless, soft matte, hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I did not know that they had that in there. And this is in the color Creme Brulee. This is in the shade Creme Brulee. It's like the color of my skin, which is not really what I want to highlight with, but whatever. So yeah, so I need to book a photographer. That's where I've kind of been at. Okay, this concealer blends out like a dream. I don't think this concealer is as expensive as most concealers at Sephora, you know? Oh, okay, speaking of Sephora, so they changed their partner program. So for, I don't know if it's just for Rouge members only or if it's for anyone who has like a certain amount of points. Oh no, I think it is Rouge only. Maybe I should look that up before I start spitting out lies. Oh bitch, that sucks. Okay, so this new point system where you can redeem 2,500 points for a $100 gift card. Isn't that bomb? But it sucks because it's only for Rouge members. Yeah, so yesterday I redeemed my points for the $100 gift card and I got the new NARS Cheek palette. Oh my god, how dope is this packaging? Here, I'll quickly show you guys. Oh, I am not a blush person, but when I saw this palette, I was like, holy fuck, man, I need to buy that. And then I've been keeping my eye on this for so long. This is the Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. It is huge and hella expensive. Both of those are expensive. But I was like, okay, if I'm gonna use my gift card, I'm gonna buy things that I would never spend my own goddamn money on, you know? Cause that's just ridiculous. $60 for a bronzer and like $70 for a cheek palette, are you high? With the gift card, I only spent, I think, like 34 bucks or something of my own money, which I'm comfortable doing. Okay, next I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation Powder. This is in the shade Light 125. I got this in an influencer box for free. Kat Von D products, some of their stuff's like pretty innovative and different, but on the other hand, her whole style and like name for herself almost is like very high pigmentation, like Lock It, the concealer, the foundation, all that shit is so high coverage, but with being high coverage, it gets super cakey. I was nervous for it, but it does the job. It sets it down, adds coverage, and it doesn't make my makeup look cakey, so I'm okay with that. Let's go in with my new bronzer, and look at this mirror. Where's the camera? Sup bitch, what up? I actually was meaning to get the black one, not this coconut one, because this one is the more cooler tone universal color, which I was quite nervous that it was gonna be too light for me. It was sitting behind the black one, so I grabbed it, threw it in my basket. I should have looked at the package like an idiot, but I didn't, and I accidentally bought this one. I'm kind of nervous that what it's gonna look like when I do get more tan, but we'll see. This brush that I'm using is an Aesthetica, it's like a tulip brush almost, but I've been using it so much it's starting to like creak and crack right at the ferrule. So sad. I got it in my one of my Boxycharm boxes, I think. Should I add more? I'm gonna go a little bit more in with my NYC bronzer. This is my like favorite bronzer ever, and it's like $4 at Walmart. And this brush is just a brush that I got at Winners. Okay, so that just warmed up the face a little bit better. Speaking of Boxycharm, okay, so I signed up for the Boxylux. So the Boxylux you get, I think it's every other month. You spend like a little bit more, but you get like double the amount of product. So it is March 27th, almost the end of the month, and I have not received it yet, which I am so pissy about. But I went on their Instagram and I was looking at the comments and everybody's just roasting them. I don't want to be another little bad customer and like get mad at them, but on the other hand, what the fuck? Like, I've been waiting forever for this. Okay, I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with this like peachy nude color and this coral color. The formulation of this product is so different. It's almost like, it's like creamy to powder, but it's not super pigmented like some people I think expect it to be. So you can't be like digging your brush in it. You almost have to just get the surface and build it up, which is almost what a blush should be. It should be buildable, because last thing you want is like a strip of pink. Love that. Next, I want to go into this highlighter in this palette. Check that out. Oh, hot damn, bitch. Ooh, I like that. It's like a sheen, but it's not like overly glittery. I like that. One thing I kind of want to make a video on is like a whole video about brows, like shaping them, how to fill them in, etc, etc. But lately I've been using the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Long Lasting Tint. This stuff is the bomb. So it's like a big goopiness, if that's any way to describe a product. It's just super goopy and thick. Anyways, you paint it on with the brush, you let it sit for a couple hours or overnight, and then you just peel it off like those Instagram videos, and then you got bomb looking brows for a few days. Like, how awesome is that? So since they're still kind of tinted still, I'm just gonna quickly fill in the tail and a little bit in the front, just to add a little bit more definition. Kind of going back to that Boxycharm thing, the other thing that kind of makes me like pissy about the whole situation is that, and it's not only this month subscription, it's every month. Every time they say, your Boxycharm has shipped, you click the tracking number and it never works. That's right, I looked into the lens to tell you guys that, Because if anyone's watching for a Boxycharm, which they're not, but fuck, get that under control, people. I need to watch my mouth in this video. I think I get so riled up, and when I get riled up, I feel like my vocabulary just like goes out the window and every second word is filled with the F word. Which I need to watch my mouth because YouTube doesn't like swearing and they demonetize videos when you swear. Next, I'm just going in with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This stuff's the bomb. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions. And I'm just gonna use this middle taupey, it's like a terracotta taupe shade. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of definition in my crease. I don't plan on doing anything exciting today, so this is gonna be very natural and not that exciting. But I pretty much just wanted to do a video to chat with you guys, kind of fill you guys in with what's going on, get a video out. I haven't done anything makeup related in a long time. Next, I'm gonna go in with this like deeper shade right next to it. It's kind of more of a peachier, orangier terracotta color. I'm just gonna put that on the outside and just kind of keep that more in the outer corner and not in my whole crease. On days when I want to keep it like simple, I don't do any shimmer. Because shimmer just screams like you're trying harder, whereas like matte is just a little bit more natural. Like I'm gonna do shimmer when I'm going out, you know? Not when I'm sitting on the couch watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Which I just finished this morning. Who else watches Brooklyn Nine-Nine? I feel like I was very late on the train, but it's so funny. It's such a stupid humor, which I live for. Next, I'm gonna go into my Physician Formula eyeliner. It's a felt tip eyeliner. I'm just doing it just to accentuate like my lash line just a bit more. I don't think I'm gonna do any wing. Oh my god, how is it? This eye I'm so fast at, and this eye is like performing surgery. My god. Okay, next I'm just going to put on some mascara, and I'm just gonna use this little baby Tarte Light Camera Lashes. What other shows have you guys been watching on Netflix? Because now that I'm done Brooklyn Nine-Nine, I need something else to waste my time with, you know? Yeah, I want something funny, but I mean, I've watched most funny comedy things on Netflix, like How I Met Your Mother, Fresh Prince, 70s Show, Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I finished Grey's Anatomy. One thing that people shit on me all the time for is that I've never seen Friends, and everyone's like, looking like they're about to shit themselves or blow up. They're just like, how have you never seen Friends? For one thing, it's a lot of seasons, which actually is what kept me from watching Grey's Anatomy. But I come from a medical field, so Grey's Anatomy was kind of more entertaining to watch. But I don't know. I tried watching one episode of Friends before to get into it, and I just couldn't. And then I watched one episode when I was getting my nails done with my friend. And that was pretty funny. But I kind of want to watch something that only has like maybe like 5 seasons. That's easy to get through. Okay, next I'm just going to go into a little bit of lip chap. This is by that Sugar brand. And then next I think I'm going to go into Beige Babe by Maybelline. These are like some of the best lipsticks ever. And I'm just going to put that on the center, because it's a smidgen too light for me, so I don't want it to look too like concealer lips, you know? Who else did that in like grade 8? You know, I feel like that was the thing in junior high, to have like super light concealer foundation lips. Like it looked so bad, but we did it. Next, I'm just going to do a little bit more setting spray. And then I'm just going to use my fan to set it. Hello. Subscribe to my channel. So I wanted to get one of these for my makeup kit, primarily just because after I spray girls' faces down, I'm like fanning them with a giant ass makeup palette, and the one time I'm gonna hit somebody and I'm never gonna get booked ever again. So I went on Amazon and got a super cute fan. It was only like, I think it was 20 bucks, but it is the best thing ever. Normally I wouldn't wear lashes on a day I'm not really doing anything, but since it is a video in the spirit of YouTube, I feel like I should put on lashes. So I'm gonna use my lashes from KB Cosmetics in the style Hales. So my friend Kayla, she has a YouTube channel. She came up with her own lash company. Super proud of her. And I wore these for a photo shoot. They are so beautiful. They're so comfortable. They flatter the eyes so much. I got tiny little Asian eyes, you know? Hooded eyes are the worst. I just took them out and I can't remember which eye was what. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of lash glue. Lash glue that I got conned into from a Instagram ad. It's not bad, but it's definitely not like what the Instagram ad was telling me. So yes, I fell for, you know, one of those Instagram videos like a lot of people do. I read the reviews. I wasn't that stupid. The reviews were good. So, and it was only like 10 bucks, so whatever. Free shipping. You can't complain about that. So it's good. It lasts a long time. It doesn't last as long as the Instagram ad said it was going to be, but whatever. That was so easy to put the lashes on. So I think what I'll do is I'll put Kayla's YouTube channel in the description down below because she's super talented. She's my makeup partner for weddings. She helps me out. She's got a bitchin' lash company. So I think I'll also put that website down below as well. Alrighty guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this chit chat get ready with me, kind of chatting about how my life has been going, recent changes, and you know, just little things is what to watch on Netflix. So I mean, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. I love replying to you guys and just seeing what you guys have to say. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. The big red button is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!